There may be something wild under here.
But Dad, I thought we were gonna camp in the wild.
For a truly wild camping experience, come to Wildlife Safari and book a Roars and Snores Adventure Camp. You camp at night where they roam during the day. Go inside the bear and lion dens and meet them face to face. Camp includes breakfast, dinner, and s'mores. Wildlife Safari, take exit 119 off I-5. Any closer and you'd be lunch.